Hi, I'm Alvaro. I want to show you how I started and measured data crisis in Ecuador, a government shell. This phone thing owls la cloud exchanges in this unorganized PDFs. It was a UX disaster, and I transformed this mess into a clean STO asset that route a lot of traffic. This is an example. This is a 26 pages long neighborhood list with the blackout exchanges. You must go to the power company social media, download the respective PDF, and then search for your neighborhood. But the two Jews and my system, uh, these are regular web pages that have proper SEO information, proper metadata, title, description that is indexed by Google. That way, instead of visiting the power company website, download the files, search for your neighborhood, you could just perform a Google search. And this page and all the other pages like this one are already indexed. So if you look directly for your neighborhood, in this case, Las Novas, Guayaquil, Las Novas Playas, you will get immediately the right page with the right info. This system allow me to rank better than a local news website, even the most important TV stations and newspapers in my country, because my system was a lot more focalized other than other news websites only inserted this PDF and hope for the best. It is a token efficient script that it uses logical split points that divide the huge chunk of text from the original government PDF and transform it in a series of usable blocks of info that maximized at that context window, reducing API costs first for OpenAI and now for DeepSeek. The WordPress site has the following features. It has long tail keywords that use the main keyword blackout, Cartes de Luz, uses neighborhood name, city name, and date or the blackout. That is also city categories that helps search engines to find that info. It also has an inner search feature, but as mentioned it before, the real strength of this site is each page, if already indexed to Google, it allows the pages to be found directly by Googling them, Googling something like blackouts in Ordesa, Guayaquil. That would be a possible combination of neighborhood, city name from my country. Another pretty cool feature of this site is each page has two templates that display different info. The default template displays SEO content, displays neighborhood and city names, but it doesn't display the schedule, the actual schedule. In order to know the hours, we must visit that same page, but using the second template. The second template is much more a straight to the point presentation that only gives you neighborhood name, city name, date, and finally the hours of the blackout. Why do I make this twin presentation, this double presentation? It is in order to be indexed by Google, but avoid to fit the AI already viewed panel in Google, because this template is indexed. It uses the index command, and this one uses no index. So Google only knows that this page is about Mocholote, Guayaquil, but it doesn't, it also knows the date, but it doesn't know the hours. So Google is unable to generate an AI overview that stops the traffic from Google to visit my website. If the visitor wants to know, you must click the button and review the second template by himself. In the backend, the website uses fast indexing in order to add these pages to Google in a matter of hours or days if they are too much. The blackout schedules were sent by the power company about 1 week before the blackout. So I have plenty of time to update the pages accordingly. That site also uses ICF in order to store the required thing for and and this site ICF fields created by me. If you edit the WordPress post, you will get the fields that you can change. But you want me to change them because the system does everything problematically. The system inserts the respective neighborhood see the day hours fields, and the system also queries OpenAI by sending the keywords, the custom fields we just mentioned it, and asking and prompting the AI to generate SEO content. And this content is inserted as a regular post content value in the website. This work allowed me to reach more than 2,000 visits on its first months of the project before the power crisis in my country was finally started. And the domain was sold and the site was closed. I now keep it as a local copy for demo purposes only, but it is a great case study. Thank you for watching.